It began not with a dramatic explosion of illness, but with something more invisible. Fleas riding on rats, slipping silently through trade routes and onto ships, carrying a bacterium that would change science forever. The Third Plague Pandemic, which emerged in the mid-19th century in Yunnan, marked the turning point where humanity finally began to understand, not just fear, pandemic disease. As the outbreak spread to coastal hubs like Hong Kong in 1894, it triggered an unprecedented scientific race to identify the cause of one of history's most feared illnesses, the plague. At the heart of this breakthrough was Alexander Yersin, who successfully isolated the bacterium responsible, later named Yersinia pestis. What made this moment revolutionary was not just identifying the bacterium, but uncovering its transmission pathway, a complex zoonotic cycle in which fleas infected with Yersinia pestis would bite rats, and when those rats died, the fleas would seek new hosts, often humans. This discovery confirmed key principles of the emerging germ theory of disease, transforming it from theory into observable, actionable science. As the pandemic spread globally via steamships to places like India and beyond, killing millions, scientists and public health officials began applying this knowledge in real time. Efforts such as a quarantine system, urban sanitation reforms, and aggressive rat control campaigns were no longer based on guesswork or superstition, but on evidence-based understanding of vectors and infection cycles. This pandemic in particular also accelerated the development of epidemiology, the science of tracking and controlling disease spread, by forcing authorities to map outbreaks, trace contacts, and analyze environmental conditions contributing to transmission. Although the human toll of this pandemic was devastating, with roughly 12 million deaths, the scientific legacy was profound. For the first time, a global pandemic was studied with modern microbiological methods, linking laboratory discovery directly to public health action. What began as a hidden journey of microscopic organisms ultimately reshaped humanity's relationship with disease, proving that even the deadliest pandemics could be confronted through science, observation, and a deeper understanding of the unseen world. If you like this content, guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.